Want to improve your golf game? Follow these tips. While the professional sport of golfing lacks the violence and noise of team sports, like hockey and football, it does challenge its players to combine their sustained physical power with careful calculations and intense concentration. To get a leg up on your competition, check out this selection of golfing tips and tricks. Add power to your swing by using your body, not your arms. Lean in to power your shot. Turn with the ball on the downswing. This lets you use the power of all of the muscles in your body to get a better shot, instead of being limited to just your arm muscles. Do not neglect the basic fundamentals of club grip when you experiment with changing your swing. Your thumb should always point down when you grip your club, and your hands should touch each other. There are plenty of minute changes you can make to your grip, but do not abandon the core requirements of a good grip. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that your ball is not damaged in any way before using it. This is important not only to your playing but also so that you do not cause harm to any of the other golfers on the course. Check for cracks and hairline fractures as well as chunks that might be taken out. Keep your chin up if you tend to undercut your golf ball. The posture you adopt for your swing has a lot of ramifications. Chief among these is the interface you achieve between club and ball. If you are leaning into your ball too far, your club will tend to undercut the ball. Remembering to lift your chin will encourage you to lean back and get a better posture. A timeless game like golf has much to offer in the way of problem solving, focus, and movement. It is a sport with a distinguished history and a roster of colorful characters and cultural connotations. The next time you prepare to tee off, remember the information that you have just read and consider how you can use it to improve your game. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.